Hey guys, today we are going to change the high pressure power steering hose on this 2001 Dodge Dakota with the 3.9 V6. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? Helps me out a lot. Alright, first thing we're going to do, get our drip tray down here, and then this right here is the high pressure line. So it's an 18 millimeter wrench. You're gonna unbolt this bolt right here that holds this line in. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Alright, after you've got that hose unhooked and it's done draining, we are going to take out the other side of the hose that attaches to the back of the pump. Sorry, while I get situated here. So we are going to be getting, sorry, like right where the end of my shadow is, that's the nut you're taking out, okay? So let me get my wrench and I'll stick it up there. This one's also an 18 millimeter. Flip the wrench over. There we go. So I think you can see it there. That's what we're going to be trying to take off next. So once you have that off, you're pretty much done, minus filling things back up. Alright, there we go. We got the hose out. Hey, I'm going to have links in the description below for like where you can get a new hose, power steering fluid, just some random stuff. If you want to check those out, Amazon links. But once you got that hose out, it's just putting the new one back in, same way you took the old one out. I already put the hoses on, but I should have told you this. There's a little O-ring that needs to slip over that flare. It doesn't go past that ring there, it just slips on there, like the diagram shows. It's this style here. And then you're going to need to refill your power steering fluid. Fill it up, turn your car or truck on, turn the wheel a little bit, turn it back and forth. Just keep running it back and forth, shut the vehicle off, check your level again because it probably filled up the hose and drained the reservoir. So if this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up button, really helps me out a lot. And have a good one, guys.